Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I hand tie flipping jigs and dragon jigs. This is a 3/8 ounce flipping jig, and we're going to start with this. Here I have my skirts that I usually use. Pretty basic green pumpkins, some oranges, but for these jigs I'm going to use 2 tabs of green pumpkin and 1 tab of green pumpkin black flake. We're going to use 1 tab of green pumpkin, 1 with green pumpkin black flake, and another green pumpkin. And I use these rubber tabs to hold it on the jig head first. And once on the jig head, that's when I do my tie. And I found these tools a long time ago that separate the rubber collar. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this now. With the rubber collar on there, you just simply spread it apart and they fly off. This is how they look when you feed it through the tool. Basically, this gets that rubber collar halfway around the jig skirt. There is where you want it. Now we're ready to feed this on here. Black collar is on the jig head. Now we're going to move to the vise. Now we're on the vise. And I'm going to feed my wire. I wrap the wire 3 times. And now I use a safety wire tool to make the tightest crimp I can on this jig. I've gotten 4 ties around here. I'm ready to trim the rest and cut this. Cut it, and what I do is I just take this tab, bend the wire down out of the way, and there you go. Everything's cut. We have a nice hand-tied 3-wrap jig. And those skirts are going to stay on there for a long time. You get lots of use out of this jig. You're going to wear the powder coat off this thing before the skirts come off. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed.